As a child, I loved eating sweets. My mother would make delicious laddus, but we were not allowed to eat more than one laddu a day. They would be kept on the top shelf in the kitchen so that we cannot get to them. One summer afternoon, when everyone was sleeping, me and my brother got a small ladder and decided to eat some laddus. As I climbed up the ladder, I was able to reach the top. I opened the box and ate one. My brother asked me to bring down the box. As I was stepping down, the box slipped from my hand and fell on the ground with a loud noise. Everyone came rushing to the kitchen. It is not hard to guess after that me and my brother were scolded and not allowed to eat sweets for a week. When I was a young adult, I used to go to work by bus. One monsoon day, 2-3 minutes after I boarded my bus, it started raining. As time passed, I got worried because the rain wouldn't stop and the strong wind started blowing. It started raining heavily. The sky became really dark and I could hear lightning. After 20 minutes or so, we reached close to Pragati Maidan and the rainwater had flooded the road. Soon the bus broke down, but the rain didn't stop. After staying stuck in the bus for an hour, I decided to try to walk to my office, which was 10 minutes away. I was completely drenched when I reached my office, and so was everyone else around me. That day, everyone in office had warm tea. Thankfully, the weather was much better when it time to go home. When the pandemic started, I was appearing for my class 12th exam and was looking forward to joining college. I thought when summer comes and it's time for me to join college, things will be back to normal. But that certainly wasn't the case. I had to join college online. I had to study, meet my professors, and even make new friends online. I even gave my exam online. I have never been to college. I have never seen my classmates or the college building. All we got is a virtual tour of our college. Online learning has been a very new experience for all of us. Once the pandemic ends, I am very excited to go to college. In college, I went on a trekking trip with my friends. It was an 8-kilometer long trek. It started raining the morning we were supposed to start the trek. First, everyone was worried that it will get very difficult, but it turned out to be great fun. We all started together and stopped many times along the way, resting, eating, and playing music. When we reached the top, the view was breathtaking. We watched the sunset. It felt like we were in the clouds. At night, we gazed at the clear sky full of stars. We stayed overnight in tents. We woke up early in the morning to watch the sunrise. The mountains were full of fresh air and the sound of birds chirping. It was a memorable trip, one that will always stay with me. On my 7th birthday, my parents organized my birthday party at Kidzania, Noida, and we invited all my friends from my apartment and my school friends too. We all went together from my home, and my father and my sister drove us to Kidzania. First, we all went to the bank to withdraw our money and then went to do different activities. Someone became a doctor, a chef, a cabin crew member, a firefighter, a music band, and some of us even learned how to drive and got our Kidzania drive license. I cut my birthday cake. We all had lunch and went back to the activities. We went to the disco and danced for long. Then it was time to come home. My friends went back home with their parents. It was a very fun day and my best birthday celebration.